So we're in Clovis, California. Got a Granville home here. Garbage disposal went out, leaking water out of the bottom. So it's 8 years old. Whirlpool. Had a flange, mounting flange, a mounting bracket in place. Was siliconed in. It was leaking. And of course, the new disposal, which is incinerator, 1/3 horsepower, comes with a flange. So we got a new flange in there, took the old one out, cleaned up the old putty. It's a little messier than what we anticipated because when you silicone stuff in, it's hard to really clean the silicone. We like putty and we have good track record with it, so that's what we use. Anyways, brand new flange up top. And then, of course, that's your discharge hose. 7/8 goes up to your air gap. Tight back in. That's your hose clamp, your discharge hose. We tighten it back down, so that's good. White hose back there comes from the dishwasher, also goes up the air gap, not our hose. We didn't touch the air gap, but we're just documenting. Also, hot and cold water lines up here. You can see, what do we got? Looks like they're quarter turn, and they are, they're press. Those are press, hot and cold. So it looks like Uponor tubing, or at least a type A tubing. I highly doubt it's Uponor, because Uponor is more expensive, but type A. And then, of course, because I can see the rings on the outside, those white translucent rings. And so those are pressed into place. Got a little room in case you need to replace those. You can cut that off, put new ones on, down to your braided supply, over to your dishwasher, and then up to your faucet on that side, the gray tubing. And then, of course, cold just goes straight to the faucet. Your trap, your white plumbing, PVC Schedule 40. Monitor this. That nut we had to loosen, and this nut we had to loosen. So monitor this for any leaking. We did snuggle back up, but usually you'll find water coming right off the bottom of this trap. If it's going to leak, it's going to leak, and it's going to be right on the bottom of that trap. So keep an eye on that. Brand new arm, that 90-degree coming off the disposal that comes with it. And again, 1/3 horsepower incinerator. That's what we have at our house. That's what goes in all new tract homes. And so, and brand new putty. That's stainless, stain-free putty. And so everything else here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.